Hello students, today we will learn about the evolution of computers. Every aspect of our lives in this present era has been influenced by the most advanced machine, known as a computer. Initially, computers were used only by scientists and engineers for complex calculations and were very expensive. Nowadays, computers can be afforded by small organizations and individuals. The widespread use of computers has made them indispensable at almost every workplace. Computers are used extensively in banks, hospitals, media, and entertainment, offices, factories, schools, homes, space technology and research, railways, airports, and so on. The term computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. But a computer is not limited to performing only calculations. A computer is a versatile device that can handle different applications at the same time. Students, can you tell me who is he? He is Andre Truong Thi, 1936 to 2005, a Vietnamese French engineer. He is considered to be the father of the personal computer for creating the microcomputer based on an Intel 8008 processor in 1973. Do you know how computer came into existence? The present-day computer is entirely different from the earlier devices that were invented for doing calculations. Let us glance through the major milestones in the journey leading to the evolution of present-day computers. Let us first learn about history of computer. The need to keep a track of numbers led to the invention of different calculating devices. Right from the abacus, the first counting device, many devices were invented leading to the development of computers. Now let us talk about calculating devices. 3000 BC, abacus. Abacus was the first mechanical device for calculations. It was developed in China. It was made up of a wooden frame consisting of rods, each having beads in them. The frame was divided into two parts, heaven and earth. Each rod in heaven had 2 beads, and each rod in earth had 5 beads. It was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let me share an interesting fact with you. In 1617, John Napier made a calculating device, a set of rectangular rods called Napier's bones. The rods were made up of carved bones which were used for performing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and square roots. Pascal adding machine. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented the first mechanical calculator at the age of 19 in the year 1642. It used gears, wheels, and dials. Numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels. It was capable of performing addition and subtraction. The gear principle was further employed in many mechanical calculators. A taximeter is a perfect example of a mechanical calculator. Leibniz calculator. Leibniz, the famous German mathematician, invented the mechanical device called Leibniz calculator in 1671. It was an improvisation on Pascal's machine. Apart from performing addition and subtraction, the Leibniz calculator could even do multiplication, division, and find square roots.